Hey everybody. Okay, I think I have everything here to get started. These are the giant gumball machines. I am going to show you what everything I have. I have packing tape, a pair of scissors, hot glue gun with sticks. These are from the Dollar Tree. They're round plastic plates. It comes in an 8-pack. I also have this 4-pack of dinner plates. Those are plastic as well. I have some shredding to go inside, a gift bag, a ruler, and a measuring tape, and this poster board right here. Okay, I think I have everything. So what we're going to start off doing is we measured the bag. It is 18 inches tall. I'm going to open this up, measure to 18, and that's what I forgot, my pen. Give me 1 second. We're going to measure this all the way across, unless you have something big to cut it with. We're just going to make our 18-inch markings all the way across. Because we're going to cut off a portion of this because that's all we need for the bag to cover it completely. So go all the way across. That's where we will be cutting at. One more. There we go. We're going to grab our scissors and cut it straight along the line. You don't really need the ruler for this part, but I put it there just because. Probably going to be better with a knife. So I do have my cutting sheet under here. So we're just going to take our knife and cut it right there. Maybe we will need the ruler. How about that? Hold the ruler down. Cut that all the way across. And we're going to pop this off. You may need to use it a little more in some spots that didn't cut all the way through. I have a few here. That didn't properly cut all the way through. There we go. And this will be the bottom. This part that we cut, we can use as the bottom. Just going to cut off our little excess here. Close it up. We are going to take our bag and cut off the sides. For this, scissors is easy enough. We're going to go around, cut the bottom off as well. Right along the seam. This has cardboard inside. It's not real thick, but you can take that out, make it easier to cut. We're going to do that to both sides. You can remove the hangy thing. It's just a sticker on there. Remove that off as well. And then the opposite side. Okay. Just cut that right off. Set that aside. Now we have those cut. I'm going to take this and see how it's cut, got a gap right there. What I'm going to do is cut the excess off. Right along each one. So it's the same. Both of these are the same. We're going to do the same thing with this one. We're going to cut this excess off. Perfect. Now, we're going to stand that up. We're going to grab our tape. And we are going to take two sides, two of those, one of each of the halves, and we're going to tape those together. Make sure your bottoms are the same. So we'll just tape this and keep it right down the middle. Those two halves together. We just tape them together. Now we're going to take that and we're going to tape these ones that are open together. Take our tape. Put half of your tape on one side and leave the other piece so that you can wrap this around here and put it on the other end. Press this down like that. Now we're going to take this excess piece that we cut earlier. We're going to take it and we're going to remove that flap. So we're just going to cut that flap off. It should fit right on there, like so. You can take some tape and we're going to tape it on. That was my bottom. Let me get my top. So we're going to take this tape, put it right on our board on all four sides so that we have some hanging over. So let me just do that. All four sides. Actually, I put it on the wrong side. So we're going to remove that. Should be on the white side. So, once again, 4 pieces of tape. Go like this, take our top, center it right on there. It should go over it. And then we're gonna bring our tape up. Like that. See? All 4 sides have been taped. Our seam is taped on both sides on this. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cover it with the bag. All right. We can leave that just like that. Now we're going to take our bags and glue it on here. Give me 1 second. Grab our bags and glue them on, starting at the bottom. right flush with the bottom. We're going to flip it over. We're going to glue this part down. Flip that over, and we're going to do the same thing to the opposite side. Okay, we're going to do it again with another bag. Well, the other piece of the bag. You will need two bags. Take another piece of that same bag and glue it on the next part. I just overlap it just a little bit. Take that same bag and overlap just a tad. Super glue that baby down. Okay, now you have it on here. I'm going to do the same thing to the top and the bottom with more glue. Push that down. And there you go. Push that down. Roll it over and glue this on. And then we have the next piece, which is from another bag. Should fit perfect on the next piece of your board. Same bag design, I want to say. Same bag design. I'm going to glue the top and the bottom again. This one should fit right on here, like so. We're gonna glue this one on. Make sure that that sticks right on there. There we go. Now we're going to take those side pieces that we cut off and we're going to put them right on the top. So we can glue this down. Same thing for this edge. That side piece that we removed, we have two of them. We're going to take it and fold it in half, completely in half, the long way. And then we're going to cut that in half as well. So we're going to use all the pieces for this bag. And we're going to glue that right on the top. And you will need both pieces. I'm going to take this other one. It's going to fit directly over the top. I think I need a new glue gun. Take that other piece and lay it right over that one. All right, now we're going to take one of our black plates. It's a 4-pack of plastic plates from the Dollar Tree. We're going to take that and hot glue it right in the center. So I'm going to take it and put it right on my plate. Right on the center and place it right in the middle. the bottom is open so you can take it. If you can reach, put your arm in there, press it down. It is hot glue. It shouldn't take that long to adhere. There we go. Now we're going to take 2 of our bowls, and I'm going to use the blue one for this one. And we're going to glue this on top of our plate. And see, I'm just putting a big old glob of glue right in the middle of this plate. Just like that. Place it directly in the center. And again, if your reach is long enough, just move this. If your reach is long enough, it should be fine. I'm just pushing it down. There we go. We're going to take this and push down on this. So that didn't stick. You guys should have put the plate on the bowl first. Yep. Plate on the bowl first. So what I did, just to hold it for now, because I didn't hot glue it first, I put some super glue on it. I'm going to take another piece of tape. We're going to put it around a piece of the bowl. You see the tape in there? Going to decide where our front is. I think I'm going to have this one on front. And we're going to move you guys up a little bit. Place the bowl open, and then put our tape down so that it creates a hinge. Okay, and we make sure our tape is secure on there, our bowl is secure. Then we're going to take one of our clear plates that I showed you earlier and put some super glue right in the middle of that and place it right on the center of the plate. One more step. So I bought this to go on top of the gumball machine. It's a nail polish applicator from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to open that. We're going to hot glue it right on the top of our machine. That's why I said make sure you know what part you want to be the front. So this is our front right here where it's going to open. We're going to take this hot glue and stick it right on the top of this. I don't have any blue stuffing with me right now. I'll just throw in a bag of pink stuffing. This could be for a boy or a girl. Put all your other fillers in there. I did print out this that I might put on there, like a 3D effect. I might put it on a piece of this extra board. I printed out a name and the bone as well. I think I'm going to put that up here. So here is our large gumball machine. That they can open and close. Thanks for watching.